In this guide, we're going over how you can use the in-game chat here in Rocket League to talk with a microphone. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this process really is super simple. There's a few things that you need to do first, though. Begin by loading into Rocket League and go ahead and open up your settings down in the main menu, and this is going to take you to a page that looks like this. Immediately go ahead and go over to the audio tab first and make sure that you have your voice chat volume turned up more than 0%. Obviously, if it's set to 0%, you're not going to be able to hear anything, so just keep that in mind. Once you go ahead and have this set to something higher than 0%, go ahead and navigate over to the chat section right here, and you're going to see an option for view/change voice chat settings, not quick chat. I don't know why I was hovering over that. Go to the voice chat settings, open this up, and this is going to be all of your voice chat settings. You can allow voice chat with everyone, or you can change it. You can go ahead and set your input and output devices. Make sure you do this, otherwise it might not work right for you. You can change your voice chat method from open mic, push to talk, toggle mute. Go ahead and adjust that as well. I recommend keeping it on open mic. You could change your preferred voice channel, your notifications, and of course your voice reporting as well. Go ahead and adjust these the way you need, and if you need to reset them ever, just simply hit default, but it really is as simple as that. Now you just need to be in a party with someone, which of course you can create a party and invite them just like so, and you'll be able to talk with them in-game, or as long as they're just in your party, you're good to go. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.